What's up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the Mustang turbo build. Starting off on not a terrible note, but the guy who's been helping me and pushing me to do this for one of the guys, I should say, that's been helping me and pushing me to do this for a very long time, he may have sent me a little text and said, hey, don't forget we gotta weld a little oil feed line thingy to your oil pan, and you can't get that out with the K-member in there. And the K-member's in, as if you guys saw part 1. So, I gotta take this back down and pull the oil pan out, take that to him so he can weld in a little bung. Maybe we can get a little sneak peek of his little garage he's got. He's got a pretty sweet garage. You have to check him out on his Instagram. I'll put that right here somewhere. And go check out his Instagram. Super sweet. Does awesome work. Any rate, so I got to do that. I did get my A-arms swinging. I got some new hardware in there, but I didn't tighten it down because it was freezing out one night and I just couldn't do it anymore. Also, you guys know the headers aren't 100%. I'm taking those out 100%. I decided I've been waiting so long to do this. I'm gonna do it the exact way I wanted to. I thought I was not gonna do it for a second, but I'm going to get them nice, repainted, recoated. That way all this turbo piping is gorgeous. I don't want to skip a step. I want it to look super nice. Pull those back off, make sure the new hardware I got that came in the mail works, and send those off to get those done. And I gotta pull these thingies, what are these called? Valve covers off. And I gotta get the timing chain cover off. I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna do that to get that also painted black. These repainted black, so it's nice and pretty. Enough chit chat, I guess. That's it. Time to just get to it. 2 minutes, it says. Not too bad. Yeah, gonna get to it, and hope you guys enjoy part 2. Alright guys, got the got the headers off, and so now that those are off, I had to loosen the K-member a little bit, but my boy telling me I gotta take the K-member down to get this oil pan off. I mean, he's done it 1,000 times and I haven't, but it looks like I could do it without doing it. But I'm sure there's something I don't know. So I'm gonna try it without lowering it. And he's probably gonna watch this and maybe he'll laugh. But we'll see. And stay tuned. Boop. What's up, guys? Super pumped. I finally got the valve covers off, or just one of them off. I was struggling, so I literally just got it off. So sorry, excuse. I'll work on that here in a second. Keep in mind, I'm figuring this out by myself, and how sick is this to see inside? I mean, I've seen like other motors inside, but this is like 100% on my own here, tearing it apart. And I was struggling I couldn't lift it up, the cover, past this fuel rail. So I finally just took the intake off and to get to the fuel rail, and then undid that. And then I think this fuel injector was leaking because it was wet when I saw it there. I don't know if I was moving it around or something beforehand, so that's a little nerve-wracking, so I have to look into that. But I'll look into that for sure, because that's not good. But yeah, this side's off because I'm getting this, all redone, like I just said in the beginning of the video. So now it's just time to do the other side, and then I gotta pull everything off here so I can get that cover done too. Wow, this is crazy. And this is happening like this winter, guys. So like, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment because it's happening. Like, I have everything. I just need help. Finally got the valve covers off. So that's cool. Real cool. Got both sides off. Pretty sure I already told you guys about that side. So now it is time to get the face off. So I don't know how to do that. I see some bolts that might have something to do with that. I think I gotta take off some other thingies, possibly, and I'm gonna try and do it real nice. All right, guys, I'm just spitballing here. I think my oil pump gears are gonna be inside here. Ooh, I hear noises. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out here shortly. I don't know how this comes off. So I don't know if that just moves. I might have to make a text for that one for YouTube. But keep pulling these pulleys off. No big deal. What size we got there? Anybody know? I don't know. What do we got? What do we got? Oh. I feel like this is like a very masculine thing if you can just like guess the right socket right off the bat. Like you're like, yeah, dude, I'm super cool. And you're not. Anybody else feel that way? Woo! Yeah, this is easy. I wish the whole thing was going like this. I took a picture already, so I don't forget where these go. In case you guys were wondering about that. Ooh.
Perfect.
Okay, guys. Pretty much dark out now because this freaking light won't work. Please. Okay, now at the point. I have been running back and forth to AutoZone 5 million trillion times, only a couple times, to find this puller. And I don't know, like I say every time I talk to the camera, I don't know what I'm doing. So I got the first one that was wrong, and then I got this one, and I thought this was wrong too, because I thought this bolt was supposed to go into there for some reason, but it doesn't. I think it just, you see that like little tip in there? I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a little tip that I think just sits right there, because I looked in the kit, and I think this is how it works. And here we go. Oh, Lord. Okay. Ow. I think you just do this now. But, oh, it's coming. Yes. Yes. So, in case you're wondering what you need to take your harmonic balancer out for a 2003 Mach 1 Mustang, you need one of these from AutoZone. $24.99, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. God, this makes me so happy. I'm so sick and tired of driving to AutoZone. Man, it's coming. Oh, I got a new balancer, guys. Don't even worry about this. Oh, yes. 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 Oh my God, that feels so good. Oh, okay. Set that on the table. Woo, that feels so good, guys. When you're struggling, working on your car, and then you finally like get somewhere, it is the best. Okay. Now, I might keep working on this plate, or I might go to sleep. I don't know. Keep you guys updated. Got this cover unbolted all the way now. ready to come off, so I went and got the camera. But not good. Please. Okay. I think the gasket's just sticking now. Brendan, why are you taking all this off? Because it's getting painted, boy. So it's gonna look nice and pretty in here. Once I just do this. What am I? Oh, God. Not good. Not good. Okay. Okay, well, we're gonna need a new one of those. Ta-da! Wow, that is more stuff I don't know about. Oh, I got a replacement piece for this. Oh, let me set this down. So, yeah, this is gonna get like coated. I forgot what the coating's called again, but it's like a really nice. So this is just all be redone with my whole turbo kit getting painted. That way, it's all pretty. Garbage. Now I'm in here. So I got more things to figure out. But this is pretty cool. Yeah, okay. Also, guys, I'm starting to think, and comment down below. Earlier in the video, I was like, oh, that must be my oil pump gears right in there. That's super easy. But no, I think it's behind the timing chain, isn't it? It's behind that little wheel. That is behind that, I think. If I remember from... let me get this situated. If I remember from other videos that I've seen, and from working on Garrett's Jeep, I think that's what they look like. But you can't, hey, you can't make fun of me for learning, guys. So I'm gonna look it up to double check. But that means I gotta take this timing chain off. Okay, so I gotta do that. But next, I'm not gonna do that right now. Next, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna get this oil pan off, and let's do that. Another step. All right, guys. I said this earlier in the video as well. Jeff said you gotta take the cam member out to get the oil pan off, and I was like, yeah, right. Like, look at that. Looks like it's got plenty of room. But he's right, because it hits the back of the trans. So, like, it's got to come down. It's loose, but it can't come down because of the transmission. Not good. So, I got to somehow strap this up again. Maybe put the jack underneath the trans to hold the motor up, because I'm about to unbolt this bad boy and get that out. Alright, guys, I got the oil pan out. Sadly, had to drop the K member, which is a bust, because we just did all that work. But at least, I'm trying to look at it, at least we got the old one out. And so, but I guess this is what happens when you forget things. But yeah, K member is back out. So I can get the oil pan out. We're gonna go get that bung. That showed up today. In the mail. I'm gonna go get that welded by Jeff maybe this weekend, but I think I'm gonna end this episode part 2 right here, and we are so close, guys, to finally heading like in the direction of just putting everything back together, which I'm super excited for. Like, we're almost done with like teardown, and then like once we're done with teardown, get the head studs done and the oil pump gears. It's all going back together like as soon as the turbo kit gets back from getting coated. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below, please. I want to see those numbers get high. I want tons of comments, tons of likes. Help me out. Follow us on Instagram. And I hope you guys are enjoying the build so far and learning with me. And that's it, guys. See ya.
Perfect.